In this video, I want to explain template parts and how they work in Mai Theme and what they're used for. A great example of this is my Inspire theme, but every theme we have uses template parts in one way or another. If you've been using WordPress for any number of years, the old way of doing things, still the current in some themes, but the old way of doing things is widgets. Theme developers would create widget areas for the header right or footer widgets where you're stuck with 1, 2, 3, 4 columns worth of widgets. They're very rigid. They require a lot of custom HTML and code for styling. We decided to get ahead of the curve and build template parts. So I'm going to go here to the shortcut template parts. That link is also in Appearance template parts or another shortcut under Mai Theme. These are the default template parts built into Mai Theme version 2. If there's a template part created that has content in it, it shows as active because it's going to display on the front end. You can see before footer and footer credits. Those are the ones we have here, before footer and footer credits. So let's take a look at the before footer template part because that's a fancy one. As mentioned in the video about the home page and our settings, we typically always start with a group block or a cover block. This one's a cover block with a background image. And then inside the content, you can see our block navigation here. There is a group block. This group has spacing settings to make some nice padding around here. And then the margin has some top overlap. The content width is left empty here because the cover block has the content width set to medium. You can see how that affects the group that's inside it. Now this template part, when saved, displays globally, which means every page, every post, everywhere on the whole site. If you had a specific post or a specific page that you didn't want this to display on, like a landing page, or if your call to action was to a contact page, you don't want a contact call to action to display on the contact page, you go to your document tab of the block editor here, and you would hide the before header template part. Let's save that. Let's view. And you can see that template part is gone on this page. But if you go anywhere else, let's go back to home, you can see it's still there because it's not hidden. That's the basic overview of how template parts work and what they're used for. It's that easy.